Hello, let me show you how you can take macro photos on a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So as you know, in this smartphone, you actually cannot find dedicated macro mode. So I'm going to show you two ways. The first one, you will have to actually turn on the 50 megapixel mode, and you will have to also remember to get good lighting condition. So now I'm going to actually take photo of this part of my earphone. I'll try to catch focus. Okay, it's too close. I have to put it a little bit higher, and right now I can take the photo. Okay, and the photo was taken and it looks like this, but honestly it doesn't look good. It's not looking good, it's blurry. So let's try to do this with the second method. Turn off the 50 megapixel mode, and now hold your phone steady, click on the zoom feature and try to zooming in. Now it just switched the lens, so we have to go back. There we go. So we cannot go over 10x actually. Now try to hold it steady and click on the shutter to take the photo. You can also try to turn on the flashlight. So let's see how it actually performed with the flashlight. Okay, so that's how it looks with the flashlight. Not that good, honestly. And this one, wait a minute, but where's the previous photo? This is this one? Yeah, but it's out of the focus, so let's try to do this one more time, because it doesn't look the way I want to look it. Okay, but without the flashlight actually. Maybe we can try to lower this, try to put it closer. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so in my opinion, this one looks actually the best. We can find a lot of the details. Take a look right here. All of this mess from my ears, that's nasty. But with the 5x, we actually get the best quality. For example, right here, when you reach the 10x, it looks blurry. The same right here. So yeah, the 5x actually give us the best quality. Take a look. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.